Greeting everyone. Presenting Dynamo Sample 8 on creation of REBAR from AUTOCAD line. There are two scripts that needs to be generated from Dynamo Player. Firstly, insert the link AutoCAD file that shows the details of REBAR. Next, please select the CAD drawing and on the top right-hand corner of the Revit, there is a query icon. Please click on that icon. The purpose of using query icon is to find the layer name that has been drawn as a grid line. Next, go to Manage tab in your Revit and open up Dynamo Player. Run the first script. The first script will generate detail lines along the path where the layer names display. Once the lines are generated, please hide the link CAD drawing. You will see detail line are being created. Next, run the second script to generate REBAR according to the details. On the first option, select the detail lines that needs to be generated. On the second option, select a host element that REBAR should be hosted to. In this case, the host element is the floor. Third option, select the REBAR type. Last option, select the view. As you can see, REBAR has been created. If you have any inquiries on the script, please feel free to comment down below. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more scripts. If you are interested to learn how I generate the script, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.